Hi everyone, welcome to channel Myra. How are you all? So today we're going to Sunder nursery. Sunder nursery is a great place for morning walks, photography, picnics and bird watching. These are the main things you can do over there. Everyone, welcome to channel Myra. How are you all? So today I'm going to be sharing you about Sunder nursery market. The market in Sunder nursery. It's just a small mini market, so yeah. Sunder nursery has a paid entry, but it's affordable. And the best time to visit is October to March. Vegetables. Selling homemade pickles and they're making parathas. These are freshly made parathas. This is a menu for the food. Okay. Here, desserts and drinks. He's making tea. He's making juice. This is manually squeezed quinoa juice. This is a manual method.
Very, very sweet.
So this is quinoa juice and it's really nice and sweet. Opens at 8 o'clock a.m. This market opens at 8 o'clock a.m. in the morning. Okay? And right now it's going to end soon. Okay, so people are packing up. And over here everything is pure and fresh. Like this juice was literally made in front of us, and parathas was also made in front of us, so that means we know it's pure. Okay, and they sell almost like food items over here, so it's really good. And food and drinks. That's not expensive because they're making in front of you and it's so fresh. So fresh food is more expensive than normal food. Okay. So for my brother, there's this coffee co because he loves coffee. So we bought him Kilta Coffee Co. It's organic. Okay, so they sell coffee here and tea and food and drinks only. So like I so far I only seen they sell consumable things, consumable items. These are some places near Sunder nursery. If you're on the way to Sunder nursery, maybe you can see some of them. Okay. This message try to say, the last part, it shows that the evidence shows that the culture is clearly not an add-on or a luxury, but an integral part of overall development in both the developing and developed worlds. So it's really developed really much. So it's trying to say that. So this is the Sunder Nursery, Delhi's Heritage Park. Okay, so this is the map and about the things you see over here. So they're talking about everything in every detail, about the lookout for and garden features and key attractions. So that's how we can find our way through Sunder nursery because it's just so big. Over here it's India's national tree, and so they are talking about the banyan tree, and it's actually India's national tree, so they even put it here. Okay, so these are the leaves of the banyan tree. Okay, it's so small. Okay, so by the way, I wanted to tell about you the Mughal period run. This is this thing over here is actually behind this thing. You see this? So this is several archaeological ruins can be seen from Sunder nursery. So these are like as recent as the early 20th century. Okay, so at least 6 other buildings from the 16th to 17th century standing here. 17th to 16th century, like such a long time ago. Okay, like really. Oh, that's so cool. Neat and clean here, and the best time to come here is in the winters, mostly like in the afternoon. Okay, so this is another tree. It's called the Mohar. Okay, so this is a tree. So nice. Okay, so the best time to come is the winter. In the winter, it's because like in the summers it's too hot, in the winters it's cold, but in the afternoon it's gonna get like really better. So you should come here in the winters. Okay, and you can do your picnics and everything. Okay, so this is the Galmohar tree, and then it's also called the flame tree, flamboyant. Okay, so this is a medium-sized tree. It's a popular ornamental tree. It's also used across India as a street tree. Okay, so probably the flowers are gone. It's cause like it's winter, you know. It's really cold, so they probably died out. I mean, it's okay. They'll grow back again. The tree is just so big. Wow. Perfect picture spot. Do you see this? It's just so clean over here, and it's so nice over here. And I'll show you about this. These are called mustard flowers. You know the mustard oil you use? Wow. Okay. Flower valley over here, and this is another type of flower. It's really beautiful. Okay. These are called dog flowers. They're just so beautiful, right? More flowers of these. Don't they look really beautiful? This is if you brought a camera, this is the best photo spot over here for now, I think, because like it is so nice over here. There's so many different kinds of flowers. So this is talking about Sunder Burj, okay, in the 16th century Mughal period. Sunder Burj, and then this is a really good photo spot, and it's a really old monument. These textures are just so beautiful and nice. So inside is Sunder. This is the inside of Sunder Burj. So these areas were where they kept things. These patterns are really nice. They really mean something. So they really mean something. And the design up is just so nice. Especially the center. is called the Garden of Delight, okay? And it's really beautiful. This is like the main spots. If you go all the way to the back over there, and if you go to the front, you can see this. So this is the main photo taking spot. See the water fountain? Look at this bird. OMG. This bird is just like, wow. Like I don't think I've seen this bird before. Look at its beak, it's like so long. This is just a perfect bird over here, right? So good. This is the Lakarwala Bridge, and this is in the 16th century Mughal period. Okay, that's the one. This is the Montezuma. It's all of them are roses so far I saw. Okay, so this is the rose. This is called the gold medal. It's a rose and it's yellow in color. See, there are just so many. This is the blue moon. Okay, just here. I can see only one. This is the American Heritage. Oh my. This rose is called Century 2. Okay. These roses are called the Superstar. Okay. Century 2 roses. So pretty. So this is the Lakarwala Birch. Okay. That's in 2000. Okay, that was then. That's then. This is now. Okay. This is in 2007, 2010, 2011. Ooh. Probably they were replenishing it, and this is 2012. This is called the Christian Dior, and it's a very famous brand, very popular brand, very expensive brand. Okay, it's like for a billionaire or something. Okay, see? This is the rose. It's just so pretty. I love it. See? These are small baby duckies. So cute. I feel like I just want to grab one. They're just so cute. And the normal ducks too, the adult ducks. And they're lost. Oh, this one's lost. Or maybe they just want to roam around. So Sunder Nursery is a beautiful heritage garden. It's near Humayun's tomb, Delhi. Look at this bird, it's standing on one feet. These are such cool birds. These birds make such an adorable sound, like baby walking sandals, just so cute. All of these birds are also migratory birds. And as I shared about migratory birds in Okla Bird Century vlog in the winter time, you can check out that vlog too. That spiral thing is for the water to keep on flowing. Otherwise, if it overflows, it'll go one side. If it overflows that side, it'll go that side. The sunset, the birds, everything's all beautiful. Earlier in the video, I showed you Lakarwala Burj and Sunder Burj. And those are like 15th to 16th century monuments. So interesting. And they were just built to honor important people. They're not actually homes. I just love these cute tiny squirrels. They're just so cute. Like, they're just so cute. Last time, this was a well, but now for people's safety reasons, they just added a tiny shutter so that people don't fall. So I hope you liked today's vlog, and the park is really big, so you really can't cover it in one day. So I'm gonna end my vlog now. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye!